Hey, yo, my veg head peeps. I've got some special spuds for y'all, and I'm taking them to India. For a biryani-style potato hash. Did you know that biryani could only be eaten on Wednesdays by really large Indian penguins? Yeah, I just made that up. All right, should I make it a little hot or a lot hot? Yeah, a lot hot. Cilantro and mint. Just love the smell. Just gonna give this a rough chop. It's really rustic sort of sauce, and then I'll let the robo do all the work. Oh, it smells so good. We just got started. Some garlic and fresh ginger. One more ingredient, yogurt. I wonder if Greek yogurt works well in Indian dishes. That's so good. A quick aromatic paste for an easy punch of flavor. Smells like Indian heaven. Some more flavors. Just love the colors on here, the red and the green. Remember these? My potatoes and onions? Now everything comes together. Wow. Does that ever look good? Oh, take a look at that. And that smell, that smell. This needs one more thing, raisins. Just gonna take a minute. They're gonna plump up in there. Gives it some more texture and some sweetness. This is gonna be so good. One more classic biryani-style topping, cashews. And to finish, is fresh cilantro. I can't wait any longer. I'm going in. Yeah, you want to make this. I know you do. Look at that. Wow. So many flavors in here. Oh my goodness. I know not everyone's a veg head all the time, but you could serve this up as a side dish beside a piece of steak, a piece of chicken, anytime. Trust me, you're gonna wanna do that. It's a big, big world out there. And veggies are your passport to flavor. All aboard, veg heads. Where to next?